our tropical update, and of course our focus is on Claudette making landfall right now. We saw some pretty decent chop out there on the Gulf, but as Bill was talking about earlier, the storm is very compact, and it developed so close to land we didn't have a really long fetch to get some huge swells, but definitely pretty choppy out there today.
Yeah, pretty choppy out there today. That on the water, then over land, we're getting wind coming in now. Destin, Florida, winds topping out at 45 miles per hour. In addition, Sam, copious amounts of rain coming in there. Apalachicola, the Panama City airport there, getting rainfall rates of nearly 1 inch per hour. And by the way, there's a lot more in the pipeline. I'm going to focus on Claudette. Sam has more momentarily on Anna and Bill especially. All right, here's how it looks. Here's Claudette coming in as we speak. It's interesting to look at that wind field. We have northwest winds over there by Mary Esther Field. That's over there by Navarre Beach. Meanwhile, over by Destin Airport, a due south wind. So yeah, everything coming around this way. So it's coming in counterclockwise with that land vector, though. Not a whole lot of rain. Pensacola and over there to Navarre Beach, we've been spared the real heavy rain so far. All right, the landfall coming in about 12:10 Central Daylight Time, so within the past hour, coming in there right at the eastern end of Santa Rosa Island. That is over there right by Navarre Beach and Fort Walton Beach. And once again, anywhere east of there, onshore flow. The stronger wind field was on that right semicircle. Destin Airport uptick to about 45 miles per hour. Highest wind earlier today around late afternoon, 52 miles per hour there, officially at Apalachicola. Now the big worry is going to be the rain. The rain threat is going to be pressing into Alabama. So Bruton, Atmore running up on 65 there. The Evergreen area, Montgomery, flooding a possibility. And you know what? It's going to mess up a rush hour, I think, on Monday. In addition, tropical storm warnings coming in. There is a little band of rain there on the periphery of that loosely defined eye, if you will. And it's coming inland now. So it's getting up there into the Eglin Air Force Base area. So nice still, very gusty winds, probably gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour. And that wind field is going to build up into Alabama. The track now is likely to bisect Alabama, so it looks like this track is going to be sliding its way up through Montgomery and Birmingham. But still, as we've seen all along, it looks like the worst of the rain is going to be primarily, I think, the eastern half of Alabama. And you know what? We'll take some of that rain in the Chattahoochee Valley, so hopefully the Atlanta area getting their share of rain tomorrow as well. Although the Braves are going to try to play some baseball, that's going to be a tough call. All right, the center came in right around the Destin, Fort Walton Beach line there at the east end of Santa Rosa Island, as said. Claudette is now going to weaken quickly. It's still going to be a prolific rainmaker, though. And again, it's going to bring that heavy rain into Alabama overnight. So watch out Montgomery and eventually Birmingham. All right, there is Bill. Look at that size and scope of Bill here. And Sam, this Bill is going to be a formidable player. It's just a matter of where it goes into that weakness in the Bermuda High down the road. Might it miss the East Coast? Hopefully.
Hopefully. We'll have to wait and see on that. Definitely Bermuda, that's one of the locations. If you're traveling there, if you live there, you need to take Bill very seriously. So here's Anna. Bill was talking about our depression, and then here is a much stronger and strengthening storm. Most likely, Tropical Storm Bill will be a hurricane by the time you get up from bed early tomorrow morning. So here's what we're looking at. Let's take a look at Anna as it continues that path to the west-northwest at 26 miles per hour, and those max sustained winds at 35 miles per hour. So as Anna continues the path here across the island, especially once this tropical depression makes its way towards Hispaniola overnight Monday night into Tuesday, those mountains will likely just rip Anna to shreds, and most likely will be giving you the latest information or the last information on Anna as we head early into our Tuesday morning. But then our focus will turn to Bill. This storm is strengthening rapidly. This one could be a major contender, and as Bill was talking about Bill, as it continues on its path across the Atlantic, it will depend on where it turns to the north, how that Bermuda High is situated by the time we get towards the end of next week, and wherever it becomes a little weaker, it's likely to scoot on up to the north. So if you live in Bermuda, you need to prepare now, as this could be a major hurricane upon impact. Bill?
You know, I tell you, I think Claudette's going to kind of open the door to a rather wet week here, Sam. So, yeah, Monday's going to get wet. Alabama, Georgia, the Atlanta area. That rain ought to feel pretty good with a high of 88. Hot and dry, Boston, New York City, and Philadelphia. Then it looks like around the midsection of the nation, a cold front by bisecting. So Detroit, Chicagoland, here we go again. A lot of heavy rain to fall. Missouri has had flooding already around Kirksville and KC. More rain there into the day. Monday, that kind of backs into the Denver area too. A little upslope wind, and then it looks like the Rocky Mountain states and the western seaboard kind of hoarding the very good weather out there, Sam.
Yeah.
So that area stays warm and dry the entire week ahead.
Yeah, that is the place to be this week if you enjoy the sunshine. So thank you for joining us. We're going to continue to keep you posted on the rainfall coming in from Claudette and the approach of Tropical Storm Bill and our depression, Anna.
So stay safe on your Monday and keep tabs on Claudette coming in.